Hi guys, if you want to mute YouTube video on iPhone, here is how you can do that. I am not, of course, I'm not going to tell you how you can like decrease the volume, like stuff, because you don't want that. You don't want to you want to receive calls, you want to do other stuff, but you just want to mute YouTube video, not everything on your iPhone. So what you want to do, guys, if you go to the app and if you click on, let's say for example this video, this is not a video now. For example, this video, now you want to mute this video, you want to keep it playing, but you want to mute the video. Now how you can do that, guys? If you want to do that on the app, click settings. You will not find anything that says here mute the video. How you can do that? You just wanna, this is very quick and simple. You just want to open your Safari or Google Chrome, and then you want to just search for youtube.com, and then click on search, and then search for your the music that you want to play, or a video or whatever. Click on it. Now after, guys, you click on it, you just wanna click on this AA in the top left, and then you wanna click on request desktop website. And after that, guys, you just wanna turn on the volume, like turn on the audio by clicking here. Decrease it, click on it, and then as you can see here, guys, it will not play the music anymore. As you can see, you will not hear anything. You can play it, but you will not hear anything because in the top you have muted the video. So that's exactly, guys, how you can mute YouTube video on iPhone. Hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you in the next video.